Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create one page vertical scroll website in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to create complete website step by step and we will use Elementor plugin. We are not using Elementor Pro plugin. So we are in WordPress dashboard. First we are going to install theme. On left side you see appearance and then you see theme. So click on it. Now theme section open and then you see add new button. So click on it. Now you see theme Hello Elementor. So we will install this theme. So click on install and then click on activate it. So Hello Elementor theme is activated now and then we are going to install Elementor plugin. Now on top you see install Elementor. So click on it and then click on activate plugin. So we are not using any pro plugin. Now you see Elementor setup. If you want you can close this and if you want you can create account or you can skip. So it's up to you. So we are not going to create account. Now you see choose from countless professional template. So we are going to create our website from scratch from zero. Now click on skip. Now you see let's give your site a name. So you can add site name Elementor. So you can add name according to your requirement and then click on next. If you have logo so you can add logo. Now click on open media library. Now select file. So this logo we are using. Now select and then click on open. Now uploading and then select. Now logo is added and scroll down, click on next. Now you see two options. Edit a blank canvas with the Elementor editor. Or you see this option. Now click on skip. So when you click on skip button, then you see this. Now close. And this is container. So currently we are not using it. Now close this pop-up. Now go to WordPress dashboard again. First we are going to install plugins. Now open WordPress dashboard. Now we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. First install classic editor. So click on install now. And then click on activate it. So plugin is activated. Again click on add new. Then in search plugin write Elementor header and footer builder. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. So by using this plugin we are going to create Elementor header and Elementor footer without using Elementor Pro plugin. We are using Elementor free version. Now click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Then again click on add new and then in search plugin write premium add-ons for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. By using this plugin we are going to create one page vertical scroll website in Elementor WordPress and then click on activate. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see setting and then you see general. So click on it. Now general setting open and then you see site title tagline. If you want you can update site title and if you want you can add tagline and then click on save changes. And on left side in setting you see permalink. So click on it. Now permalink settings open and scroll down, select post name and then click on save changes. Now permalink structure updated. On left side you see pages. So click on it. Now pages section open and then you see add new button. So click on it. So we are going to create home page. Now add new page section open. Now add title home. And then scroll down you see template. Select Elementor full width and then click on publish. Now page publish done. So we are going to create one page vertical scroll website in Elementor WordPress. So we don't need to create more pages. On left side you see appearance and menu. So we are going to create menu. So click on menu. Now menu section open and then you see menu structure. So add menu name main menu and then click on create menu. Now menu is created and scroll down. On left side you see pages, post, custom link categories. Now in pages, you see home page. Now click on custom links. Now you see URL hash home. So basically this is ID we are going to use in home page section. Now link text home and then click on add menu. Now you see home menu added. Again URL hash about, page name about, and then click on add menu. So we are going to create 5 pages section in home page. Now again URL service link tag service and then click on add menu. Now again gallery, now text and then click on add menu. Now we are going to create contact menu. Now hash contact, now section name and then click on add menu. Now you see we created home, about, service, gallery, contact. Now expand it. Now you see URL with hash. So we will add contact ID in section. So when we click on contact in menu, then scroll down to respective section where we added ID contact and then click on save menu. Now reading settings open and then you see your home page display. Select a static page, home page, drop down select home page, scroll down, click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to home page and refresh the page. Now you see this is our website and now we are going to create one page vertical scroll website with Elementor plugin. Now back to setting. Now scroll down, on left side you see premium add-ons for Elementor, so click on it. Now you see widgets and add-ons, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see different widgets, so you can enable disable according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see vertical scroll widget and this already enabled. So we are going to use this widget to create one page vertical scroll website in Elementor WordPress. Now on left side you see pages, so click on it. Now you see this is our front page. First we are going to create header and footer by using Elementor header and footer builder. Now back to WordPress. On left side you see appearance and then you see Elementor header and footer builder, so click on it. Now on top you see add new button, so again click on it and then you see creative impressive header and footer, so you can skip this process, so click on it. Now add new header and footer section open. Now add title header and then you see Elementor header and footer builder option, type of template, drop down select option. Now you see header, select and then you see display on, drop down, select entire website. So this header display on entire website and then you see user role, drop down select all and then you see publish button, so click on it. Now post publish done. Then you see edit with Elementor, so click on it. Now loading. So we are going to create header for our Elementor WordPress website. Now you see drag widget here section and then you see plus icon, add section, so click on it and then you see select your structure. You see single column, two column. Now select two column layout. Now two column added and in first column we are going to add logo and in second column we are going to add WordPress menu. Now click on plus icon and then you see search widget, so you can add image or you can add site logo. Now search site. Now you see site logo, drag and drop here. Now you see our logo is added because we added logo in customize section. Now you see custom image. If you want to enable it, you can add custom logo. Now you see image size, so you can select according to your requirement and then you see alignment left. Now you see and then you see link default, so when person click on logo, so it's redirect to home page. Now you see caption link, then on top you see style, so click on it. Now you see site logo width, maximum width, background color, border style. Now you can increase or decrease logo size according to your requirement. Now you see. So you can adjust size according to your requirement, and if you want you can add background color, but we don't need it. Now you see edit column, so click on it. Now we are going to set column width 30% or 40%, but in 40% column width our logo is small. Now select logo again. Now go to style, remove this. Now it's look better. Now this is our another section. Now click on plus section. Now in search widget, right menu. So this is our navigation menu. Now drag and drop here. Now you see menu, drop down. So this is our menu, main menu. And then you see last menu item, default. Now select button. Now you see last item convert to button style. Now select default again. And then you see layout. Now select. And then you see layout horizontal. Alignment right. Now you see position move. And then you see sub menu icon. If you are using sub menu, then arrow show. And then scroll down responsive. You see alignment, full width, enable. And then you see menu icon for mobile and close icon for mobile. If you want you can replace it. You see icon library, so click on it. So you can select icon according to your requirement. Now close. Now our menu is added. Now scroll up. You see style, so click on it. Now you see main menu, horizontal padding. Now you see padding. And then you see vertical padding. So you can adjust according to your requirement. Now you see space between. So you can customize style according to your requirement. Now you see row spacing. And also you see link cover effect, underline. Now you see underline effect, animation. So you can do styling according to your requirement. Then you see typography, select and scroll down. You see font family, drop down. So you can select font family according to your requirement. Now Roboto. So you can select according to your requirement. Font size 16px. If you want you can increase. Now like this. But we are using 16px. Weight semi bold. Transform. Now you see if you want you can uppercase like this. And decoration. Underline. Now remove. Now you see letter spacing between words. And then you see word spacing. So you can customize typography according to your requirement. Now you see text color. Now black. So you can add color according to your requirement. Now you see text color is change of menu. If you want you can add background color. Now hover color. Now you see. So you can add according to your requirement. Also you can add background color. And this is active color. Now normal hover. Now copy text color. And then in active color. Now paste. And then you see drop down. So this is for mobile menu. And then in bottom section you see responsive mode. So click on it. And then on top you see mobile portrait. So again click on it. So this is our mobile layout. Now edit column. Now column width 50%. And then you see menu, edit column. Again set 50%. Now you see. So you can adjust according to your requirement. Now 40. And make this 60. Now you see our logo is small. Now 60. Now select logo. And then we are in style. Now you see. So you can adjust column width and image width according to your requirement. Now you see menu. So click on it. Now scroll down. You see drop down. Select. And then you see text color, background color, typography. Now scroll down, you see menu trigger, so select, and then scroll down, you see normal and hover. Now click on mobile menu, so click on it. Now we are in style section, and then you see content, so click on it, and then you see layout, so again click on it. Now scroll down, you see alignment, right. Now you see position move, and now you see full width already enabled. Now expand menu, now you see if you disable this, now it look like this. Now enable full width, and again click on menu, so this is our menu. Now you see menu icon, and this is close icon. Now select icon library. Now filter by name close, so you can select according to your requirement. Now close, and then scroll up, you see style, so click on it, and then scroll down, you see drop down, so again click on it. Now you see normal, hover, active, text color, now you see black. Now select, so you can change mobile menu color according to your requirement. Now you see, also you see background color. Now select, now you see, so it's up to you, so you can customize according to your requirement. And then you see hour color, now you see, so you can change text hour color according to your requirement. Now you see active color, and then border type solid, default or none. Now you see drop down width, and then you see horizontal padding, vertical padding, like this. So you can add horizontal padding, vertical padding according to your requirement. So default size is good. Now you see top distance, now expand it like this, now you see, and then you see divided border style, solid, double, now solid, and then you see menu trigger and close icon. If you want, you can change color, and if you want, you can increase icon size, border width, now you see, and then you see color and background color. So you can change color scheme according to your requirement, and then click on update. Now update done. Again click on desktop. So this is our desktop view. Now select style, contact, and layout, alignment, and then you see navigator, so click on it. Now you see section, column, navigation menu, side logo. Now select section. Now you see width, so you can add width according to your requirement, like 1320 px, and then you see style, and also you see advanced. If you want, you can add margin and padding according to your requirement. Also go to menu. In advanced section, you see margin, padding, width, position, border, mask, responsive, attribute, background, and then click on update. Now update done. Now go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see this is our header. Now we are going to create footer. Back to dashboard. On left side you see appearance, and then you see Elementor Addon and footer builder. So open it, and then click on add new, and then add title footer, and then you see Elementor Addon and footer builder option, type of template, drop down, select footer, display on, entire website, user role, select all, and then click on publish. Now footer publish done, and then click on edit with Elementor, so click on it. Now loading. Now you see drag widget a section, so click on add new section, so click on it. Now you see select your structure, so we are going to create 2 column or 3 column footer, so it's depend on you. So we are going to create 2 column footer. Now select. Now section edit, click on plus icon. First we are going to change background color. Now you see section edit, so click on it. Now go to style. Now you see background type, so black, and then you see advanced, so click on it. So we are going to add padding, 30 px top and 30 px bottom. Now you see first we unlink value together. Now you see link value together. So we uncheck this and then go to layout. Now width 30-20 px. Same with the header width. Now we are going to add some data. Now click on plus icon and then you see search widget. So you can add image. Now select. Then on left side you see choose image and then you see image size. Now select full alignment left and then choose image, upload file, select file. So this is our logo in PNG format. Now select. Now upload, again select. Now you see our logo is added. Now go to style 50% and then again click on plus icon. Now you see text editor, drag and drop. Now we are going to add copyright text, copyright. Now you see color black. Now on top you see style, so click on it. Now you see text color white. Then you see alignment right and then click on update. Now update done for desktop. Again click on responsive mode and then you see mobile. So again click on it. So this is our mobile layout. Now select. Now make it 100 again and go to content, make it center, copyright, again center. So this is our mobile layout, footer. So click on update. Now update done. So our header and footer is done with Elementor header and footer builder plugin. Now go to website and refresh the page. Now you see this is our header and this is our footer. And if you want to make both these items center align, now you see back to footer, click on desktop. Now click on edit section and then you see vertical align middle. Now update. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see vertical align done. So you can create header and footer according to your requirement. So you can add 2 column, 3 column, 4 column layout in footer section. So you can add menu, image, text according to your requirement. So I created header and footer for our website. Now go to WordPress dashboard. On left side you see pages, so click on it. So we are going to create one page vertical scroll design in Elementor WordPress. And then you see home page, so click on edit. And then you see edit with Elementor, so click on it. Now loading. Now Elementor page open. And then you see drag widget here, so click on plus icon. And then you see select your structure. Now select this single. Now section edit and then click on plus icon. On right side you see search widget, so right here vertical scroll. Now you see vertical scroll widget, so drag and drop here. So this vertical scroll widget from premium Addons Elementor plugin. Now widget edit. On left side you see content and then you see type, drop down, select. You see section ID, Elementor template, so select section ID and then you see section. So click on add item. Now you see item 1 section ID. So you can add section ID home. Then you see navigation, so click on it. Now you see navigation menu. Then you see navigation menu, so currently disabled. So currently we don't need this option. And then you see navigation dot enable, horizontal position right side, drop down. You see left right, now right. And then you see vertical position middle. Now you see shape, circle, lines, so select circles. So after adding section in Elementor page, we will do this setting later also. Now you see tooltip text enable, interest animation, and then you see scroll setting, scroll effect default, full section scroll, yes, save to browser history, yes. And then you see check content overflow, so enable this option. Now scroll up, you see style. Now you see tooltip text color typography. So we will do this setting later. First we are going to create section in Elementor page builder. Also on top you see Addons, and then you see margin, padding, position, different setting. Now go to drag widget section again. So click on plus icon. So we are going to create home page section. Now select structure. Now section edit. Now we are in edit section, and then go to advanced setting. You see margin, padding. Then you see CSS ID home. Now go to vertical scroll widget. So click on it. Now go to content, and then you see section home, and we edit section ID home. Now go to edit section, and we are in advanced, and you see we edit CSS ID home. So same ID in both home section and vertical scroll widget. First we will do global setting. Now on top you see edit section, and then click on this. Now you see Elementor site setting, theme builder, user preference, nodes. Now click on site setting. Now you see design system, global color, global font, typography, button, images, header, footer. So you can do setting according to your requirement. Now you see global color. So click on it. Now you see system color, primary color, secondary color, text, accent. So you can change color according to your requirement. Now primary color select. So you can select primary color according to your requirement like this. Now you see secondary color, back to setting, and then click on save. Now setting saved. Click on global fonts. Now you see primary font, secondary font, text. Now you see edit pencil. So click on it. Now you see font family for text. So you can set font size, weight, transform, style, decoration for primary, secondary and text section. Now you see. So you can customize setting according to your requirement. Now back to site setting. Click on save. Now you see typography. So this is important. Now click on it. Now you see text color, body text color black, typography 16px. Now you see font family default. If you want to change font family manually, now select, and you can change font family from here. If you want to change font family from default section, back to site setting, and then go to global font and change font again, and then you see color. So this is link color. Now black, H1 black. Now we are going to change all heading color to black. So you can do customization according to your requirement. Now click on update. Your changes has been updated. Now back to site setting. If you want to change default family, so you can change it from here, global font. Now you see, back to site setting. Click on typography. Now you see H1 typography. You see font family default. If you want, you can choose font family manually. Drop down select, you see different font families. So you can select according to your requirement. Also you see font size, weight, transform, style, decoration. Now back to site setting, and then you see button. You see text color, background color. Now back to site setting. You see multiple option. Now close, and then click on save. Now setting saved. So this is our home section. Now click on edit section. Now go to style. So we are going to add background image for home section. Now you see background, normal, hour, background type, classic, select. So we are going to upload image. Now click on choose image. Now we are going to upload file. Now select, and then click on select file. So this is our image for home page section. Now select, and then click on open. Now uploading. Now select. Now you see image is added. Then you see image size full, position, center, and then you see repeat, no repeat, display size, cover, and then you see background overlay, select. Now you see background type, classic. So we are going to add background color because we will use white font on home page section. Now black. Now you see opacity. Then you see border, shape divider, typography. Now scroll up, you see advanced, so click on it. Now we are going to add padding. Now you see padding. First unlink value together. Now add padding on top 50 and bottom 50 and then click on update. Now update done. Now we are going to add section. Now you see plus icon, so click on it. So it's up to you if you want to create two column in home page section or if you want to create single column just title or website. Now you see T adding, drag and drop here. Now you see title add. Now on top you see style, text color. So you can change default text color, primary color, secondary color from site setting. Now white. Now you see typography. You see font family Roberto. Now 50. Then you see different setting, weight, transform, style, decoration. Now scroll up, go to content. Now change title according to your requirement. And then you see size default, HTML tag H2, H1. And then you see alignment. Again click on widget panel. Now you see text editor, drag and drop here like this. Now we are going to add text. Now paste. And then on top you see style, so click on it. So we are going to change text color. Now white. And then you see typography, select font size 18px or 20. And then you see weight, so you can select according to your requirement. And then you see different setting. Also you see circle with background. So we will do this later after completing all section in home page. Now back to style section. Now this is our home page section. So you can customize section according to your requirement. If you want to add two column layout, click on widget panel. Now you see inner section. Now drag and drop like here. Now you see two column added. So you can add image or you can add text according to your requirement. Now remove. Now on top you see edit section. So click on it. Then on left side you see CSS ID home. Now we are going to resize column width. Now edit column, right click on it. And then you see add new column. So click on it. Now both column 50% width. Now edit column. Now make it 30. And this is 70. So this is layout. And then click on update. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see this is our home page, home section. So we are going to cover each section full width. Now you see this section not cover full width. Now back to home elementor. And then you see edit section. So click on it. On left side you see layout. And then you see height. So currently default, drop down, select fit to screen. Now you see. And then click on update. Now update done. Go to home page and refresh the page. Now you see this section cover full width. Also you see small gap on this area. Now you see. Now back to home elementor and then click on edit section. Go to advanced. Now you see margin, unlink value together and then add minus margin like 20, minus 20 and then click on update. Now update done, go to home page and refresh the page. Now you see menu. Now click on home menu. Now you see home menu, scroll to this section. Now back to home elementor. So we added CSS ID home in edit section. Now you see. Also you see vertical scroll. So click on it and then you see in content section home ID. Also we added hash home in menu. So you can customize home page section according to your requirement. So after that we are going to add about section, service section, gallery section, contact section. Now scroll down and then you see drag widget add section. So we are going to add about us section. Now click on plus icon and then you see select your structure. So you can select structure according to your requirement. So we are going to add text on left side and image on right side. So that's why we are using 2-column layout. So click on it. Now you see 2-column layout edit, and then you see edit section. So click on it, and then you see style, and then you see advanced. So go to advanced. Now in advanced section, we are going to add padding. Now you see padding. So first unlink value together. So click on it. Now we are going to add padding top 50%, padding bottom 50%, and then we are going to add text, and then we are going to add image. Now you see edit column. So click on plus icon. Now on left side you see adding. Now drag and drop here. So you can add title about us, and then you see HTML tag h2 h1. Now h1. So you can select HTML tag according to your requirement, and then you see alignment. Now on top you see style. So click on it. Now we are going to change text color. Now black, and then you see typography. Now click on edit pencil, and then you see family roboto, size, weight, transform. So you can customize setting according to your requirement. And then we are going to add text. Click on widget panel. Now you see text editor. So drag and drop here. Now we are going to add text. Now paste. So you can add text according to your requirement. And then scroll up. You see style. So click on it. And then you see text color black. If you want, you can increase font size, typography. So currently 16px. Now we are going to add or increase 18px. Now you see. And on right side we are going to add image. Now click on plus icon. Now you see image. So drag and drop here. Now image size, select full. Alignment center. Now we are going to choose image. Now click on choose image. Go to upload file. Now click on select file. Now select image according to your requirement, and then click on open. Now uploading, and then click on select. Now you see image is added. Now we are going to add more text. Now right click on it, and then click on duplicate, and then you see edit section. So click on it, and then go to layout, and then you see height, select fit to screen, and then click on update. Now about section done. So we are in edit section. Now go to advanced, and then you see CSS ID right here about, and then scroll up, click on vertical scroll widget, and then you see section. So click on add item, and then add here section ID about, and then click on update. Now update done. Also you see navigator. So click on it, and then you see section, column, vertical scroll, section. You can expand it. If you want, you can select it from here directly. Now you see adding text editor image. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now this is our home page, and scroll down. You see about us. Now scroll up. You see about us. So click on menu. Then open this section. Now back to Home Elementor, and we are going to add service section. Now we are in vertical scroll widget. Now scroll up, you see vertical scroll. Now we are going to add section. So click on add item. Now add service. So this is CSS ID, and then scroll down. You see drag widget here. So click on plus icon, and then you see different structure. So you can select structure according to your requirement. Now select single column layout. Now you see edit section edit. Now click on edit, and then we are in layout. Now you see height, drop down, select fit to screen, and then you see advanced. So click on it. So add CSS ID service. Now we are going to add services section. Also you see padding. So unlink value together. So click on it. Now add padding 15px, and then add padding bottom 15px. Now click on plus icon. Now you see search widget. So now you can customize design, or you can use widget according to your requirement. Now you see box right here. You see different image box, icon box, model box. So if you are facing difficulties while scrolling in Elementor home page, so currently we are going to disable this option, and after completion of this page we will enable that option again. Now you see scroll, vertical scroll widget, so click on it. Now we are in content and scroll down. You see scroll setting, so click on it, and then you see full section scroll. So currently disable this option. At the end of completion we will enable this option again, and then click on update. Now update done, and also refresh the page. So after disable option in vertical scroll widget, you don't face any difficulties while scrolling in Elementor page. Now you see. So at the end of the page completion, we will enable that option again. So it's up to you. If you want, you can enable that option. If you want, you can disable this option. Now you see image box for services section. Now click on it. Now you see image box. You can add image, service title, service description. So you can add according to your requirement. Now service 1, and then you see description. If you want, you can add service link, and then you see title HTML tag h3. So we are going to add service image. Now click on choose image, go to upload file, select file. Now select logo. So you can select your service logo and then click on select. Now you see image is added. Now on top you see style, so click on it. Now you see image position. So you can select design according to your requirement. Now you see and alignment center image. Now you see spacing and width, and then scroll down you see content, so click on it, and then you see color black. Now you see typography color description black. So you can change typography color scheme according to your requirement, and if you want you can add background color for this section. I think we will add background color. Now you see section. So we are in edit section of service. Now go to style, or we are going to add image. Now background type, so we are going to add image. Now click on choose image. Now click on upload file and select file. So this is our image for service background. Now select and uploading, and then click on select. Now you see background image added, and then you see image size full, position, center, and then you see attachment default, repeat, no repeat, display size, cover, like this. And then you see background overlay, so click on it, background type black, and then you can set opacity according to your requirement, like this. Now go to image box, so click on it. Now image, and then you see content, so click on it. So change color to white. Also you see typography and color for text. Now white, typography 18px for text. Now we are going to add more image boxes. Now you see edit column. Now right click on it and then click on duplicate. So you can add multiple column according to your requirement. Again right click, duplicate. Now you see. So currently we are adding 3 services box. If you want to add 4, 5 or 6 services box, then we are going to add inner row. Now again right click and then click on duplicate. Now you see 4 services boxes in service section. If you want to add more than 4 services boxes, so we are going to add inner section within this section. Now remove all first, delete, again delete, and also delete this column. Now go to widget panel. Now you see inner section. Now drag and drop like this. Now you see 2 column. Now copy and paste. Again right click on it and then click on paste. Now duplicate again. Now you see 3. So remove this. Now click on delete. Now this is our inner section. Now you see edit inner section. So right click on it and then click on duplicate. Now you see 6 services boxes in service section. Now click on update. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see services section. Now you see service menu, so click on it. Now you see. So if you want, you can add service title in this section also. Now back to home page. Now we are going to set margin and padding on mobile layout. Now you see responsive mode, so click on it and then you see mobile portrait. Also you see tabular portrait, so click on mobile portrait, so click on it. Now we are in mobile layout. Now you see. Now scroll up, you see padding. Now click on edit section. Now go to advanced. Now you see padding top bottom 50. If you want to add separate padding for mobile layout, so you can add here. Now scroll down, you see about us and then you see services section is close to this service box. Now click on edit column. Now go to advanced. Now you see margin, so click on it. Now add margin top. Now you see. Also if you want, you can add margin bottom. Now again click on edit column. Go to advanced. Now add 20 margin top. Now you see. So you can add margin and padding according to your requirement in boxes like this. Now you see again adding margin 20px on each service box and then click on update. So you can do setting for tabular portrait also. Now you see tabular portrait, so click on it. Now click on edit section and then go to advanced. So you can set margin and padding for tablet and mobile view according to your requirement. Now on top you see desktop, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see services section. Now go to vertical scroll widget again. Now you see section, expand it and then you see vertical scroll, so click on it. Now we are in content and scroll down, go to scroll setting and then full section scroll enable and then click on update. Now update done. Go to Elementor page again and refresh the page. Now click on service section. Now you see go to service section when we click on menu. Now scroll up. Now you see smooth scrolling. Also we will customize this section at the end of the completion of page in vertical scroll widget. So we done with home page, about section, service section and then we are going to create gallery section and contact section. Now back to home page Elementor and then disable this option, full section scroll and then click on update and refresh the page again. Now scroll down, you see drag widget here, so click on plus icon and then you see select your structure. So you can select structure according to your requirement, so it's up to you. Now we are going to create gallery section. Now you see single column layout, single row. Now select, section is added. Now click on edit section. Now go to advanced and then you see CSS ID, so write here gallery and then go to layout. Now select height fit to screen, again go to advanced. Now padding uncheck, link value together. Now we are going to add padding top 15px and also 15px bottom. Now click on plus icon and then you see search widget. So if you want, you can add image grid or image carousel. Now in search widget write image. Now you see image carousel, basic gallery, banner, media grid. So it's up to you. Now I select basic gallery. First we are going to add title. Now go to widget panel. Now you see search widget and then you see heading, drag and drop here. Now we are going to add heading, gallery and then go to style, text color black, typography. If you want, you can increase font size, font weight, transform, style, decoration. Now you see basic gallery, so click on it So we are going to add some margin also. Go to padding. Now go to advanced. Now you see padding. Bottom padding 20 px. Now you see gap between title and basic gallery. Now click on basic gallery again. Now you see image gallery. So you can select images according to your requirement. Now click on add image. Now we are going to upload the file. So click on it. Now click on select file. Now you see we have multiple images. So you can upload images according to your requirement. Now select. Now click on open. Now images upload done. And then click on create a new gallery. So click on it. Now you see edit gallery. So you can replace position according to your requirement like this. And then click on insert gallery. Now you see images added. And then on left side you see image size. Drop down select full. Now you see. And then you see column 4, 6, 7. Now 6. Now select 4. So it's depend on you. Now you see link. If you want you can add. And then you see light box default. If you click on yes. Now click. Now image light box show like this. Now close. Now again click on basic gallery. Now scroll down, you see ordered by, you see random or default. Now scroll up. Now you see style, so click on it. And then you see spacing default, custom. Now you see space between images. If you want, you can set according to your requirement like this. Now 15. And then you see border type, solid. Now you see border around images, black. If you want, you can change border color like this. Now black is good. And then you see caption. If you want, you can display caption or hide. So it's depend on you. And then click on update. Now go to edit section again. Now we are in advanced section and then you see gallery. Now on top you see section, column expand, and then you see vertical scroll. So click on it. Now you see section. So click on add item. Now add section ID, gallery, and then click on update. Now update done. Go to home page and refresh the page. Now click on gallery. So click on it. Now you see open gallery section. Now scroll up. Click on service. Now you see. Now back to home Elementor. Now scroll down. Click on basic gallery again. Now you see. And then you see responsive mode. So click on it. On top you see mobile portrait. So again click on it. Now you see this is mobile layout. Now click on content. Now scroll down. So this is our mobile layout. Again click on desktop. Now we are going to create contact page section. Now scroll down. Click on drag widget here. So click on it. Now you see select your structure. So we are going to create 2-column layout for contact page section. On right side we will add contact form. On left side we are going to add email, phone, address or map. Now you see 2-column layout, so click on it. Now we are in edit section and then you see height, default, fit to screen, and then on top you see advanced. Now add padding. First uncheck link value together. Now add padding top 15 px. Also add padding bottom 15 px. And then you see CSS ID contact. Now you see 2-column layout. Then click on plus icon and then you see adding. Now drag and drop. Contact us. Now on top you see style. Set color black. Now go to widget panel again. Now you see text editor, drag and drop here. So if you want you can add some text and then go to widget panel again. And now we are going to add list. Now in search wizard, write list, and then you see icon list, drag and drop here. So we are going to add address, email, phone number. Now list item, so click on it. Now add phone number like this, and then you see icon library, select phone. Now select and then click on insert. Now you see format, and then you see link. Now add clickable phone link, TEL. Now colon plus icon 92 and then number. So this is format. Now you see clickable link. Now you see list item 2, email, info, and then you see link or icon library. So select. Now add icon according to your requirement. Now you see. Now select this envelope, insert. Now you see link, mail to, colon, info. Now email address. Now you see also email clickable. Now you see list item 2, address. So you can add address according to your requirement. Icon library, map. Now you see, if you want you can add Google Map link here. Now you see apply link on full width inline, and then scroll up. You see style, so click on it. Spacing between lines like this. Now you see, if you want you can add divider. Also you see alignment, and then you see icon color black. If you want you can increase icon size, and then you see gap, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and then you see text, so click on it. Text color black, typography 18px. Now you see, or you can add 16px. So select this text editor. Now go to style, change text color to black. Now you see, again click on icon list. Now reduce gap and then click on update. Now we are going to add map. Now go to map and then you see menu, so click on it, and then you see share or embedded map, and then you see embed a map. Now copy HTML. Now back to Elementor. Now click on widget panel, and then in search widget write code. Now you see HTML, so drag and drop here. Now paste code. Now you see map is added, and then you see width and height. Now 350px height, or you can set 2. Now you see map height reduce, so you can set width 100%. Now our left section completed in contact page, and then click on update. So if you want you can add contact form, so it's up to you. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install contact form plugin, and in search plugin write contact form 7. So this is plugin we will use, so click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see contact, so click on it. Now scroll down, you see contact form 1, so click on edit. Now you see form, mail, message, additional setting tab. Now you see form, and then you see text, email, URL, telephone number. So you can create form according to your requirement. So currently we are using this form. Now go to mail. So you can add your email address. When user fills the form, then information received on this email you add it in this section. And then you see message body. Now you see tag, so add all tag in message body if you want to receive all information. Now go to messages. Now you see thank you for your message. If you want you can customize these messages. Now go to form tab, and then you see submit button. If you want you can change submit button style. Now click on save. Now copy this shortcode. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now on top you see style, and then you see input field background. padding, border type. Now you see border remove, and then you see focus border color, focus border animation, box shadow, label, default font color black, input text color black, item color black. If you want, you can set typography. Now you see weight semi bold, now normal. Now you see, and then you see button. Now you see background color black, text color white. If you want, you can set hour color also, border type none, hour color white, background color you can select according to your requirement like this. Now you see, so you can customize setting according to your requirement. Now you see button, label, form, and then click on update. Now contact section done, and then you see section, expand it, column, go to vertical scroll, and then you see content, drop down, click on add item. Now section ID, contact, and then click on update. Now form update done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see menu, so click on contact section. Now you see contact us. Now you see form not cover full width, so we are going to make it full width. Now right click on it and then click on inspect element. After inspect element open, you will find CSS ID or class, and then add custom CSS width 100% in that class ID or CSS. Now go to customize section, open link in new tab. On left side you see additional CSS, so click on it. Now we are going to add custom CSS for form. Now paste. Now you see width 100%, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now click on publish. Now publish done. Go to home page and refresh the page. Now you see form cover full width now, and then we are going to customize this section. Now back to home Elementor again. Now you see vertical scroll, so click on it. Now close this navigator. If you want to open navigator again, then click on this section navigator. Now close. Now scroll down, you see navigation, so click on it, and then you see navigation menu, so we disable this. If we enable, it will look like this. Now disable. Navigation dot, right side, vertical align, position middle, shape circle, tooltip text disable, and then you see scroll setting. So full section scroll enable because we completed home page section. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it, and then you see navigation dot, so click on dot. Now you see dot color, active dot color, dots border color. Now you see dot color red, active dot color like black or white like this. Then you see dots border color, so you can set according to your requirement. And then you see container, so click on it, background color, so disable or remove, clear. Now you see background color, select. Now make it transparent like this. Now you see, and then click on update. Now setting done. Go to home page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see animation, so this is vertical scroll. Scroll up, click on any menu. Now you see service, home page, about page. Also in URL you see this is CSS ID hash gallery. Again click on contact. Now you see about. And if you want to disable full section scroll, now back to home Elementor, and then we are in content, and then scroll down, you see scroll setting, and then you see full section scroll. If you want, you can disable this, so it's up to you. Now you see responsive mode, so click on it and again go to mobile portrait. Now you see this is our mobile view. If you want, you can add padding, margin for mobile portrait. Go to section, edit section, and then go to advanced, so you can add padding, margin according to your requirement. Also, if you want, you can add margin and padding setting for tabular portrait according to your requirement. Now go to website and right click on it and then activate the mobile view on this page. So this is our mobile view after completion of our website. One page vertical scroll in Elementor WordPress. Now scroll down, you see about, home page, service section. Now you see map also. Now scroll up and then you see mobile menu, so click on it. Now you see home page, about, service, gallery, contact. So you can customize mobile header, footer according to your requirement. Now you see header. Now go to header section and refresh the page. Now go to menu, so click on it and then you see content style, advanced, so click on layout. Now you see different styling. Also you see style, so you can add color scheme according to your requirement. So this is our website. So in this way you can create one page vertical scroll Elementor WordPress website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.